In this video, we'll show you how to complete the 3-wire connection for the 4 to 20 milliampere analog output, as well as the 4-wire connection for RS485 digital communication on ATO's Gas Detector Controller. Let's get started. First, for 3-wire analog output wiring, begin by opening the front cover of the controller. Inside, you'll find the terminal blocks where all wiring connections are made. Next, feed your 3-wire cable through the external cable gland. Tighten the gland to secure the cable. Now let's connect the wires. Start with the green wire. This carries the analog signal. Attach it to the terminal labeled 4 to 20 milliampere output. Tighten the screw firmly to secure the connection. Next, take the red wire. This is your positive power supply. Connect it to the terminal labeled 24 volts. Make sure it's locked in place with a firm screw. Finally, connect the black wire to the GND terminal or ground. This completes the power circuit and provides a common reference for the signal. With all wires properly secured, your 3-wire 4 to 20 milliampere output setup is now complete. Then for RS485 connection, run your 4-wire cable through the external cable gland. Tighten the gland to secure the cable in place. For the power connections, attach the red wire to the 24-volt terminal for power connections and the black wire to ground, as done in the analog wiring step. Now move to the data lines. Locate the RS485 communication terminals on the controller. Connect the green wire to the terminal marked RS485A, which is typically the non-inverting data line. Then connect the yellow wire to the RS485B terminal. This is usually the inverting data line. Together, the A and B lines enable reliable long-distance data transmission. With that, your RS485 wiring is now complete. The controller is ready for stable network communication. For more gas detection solutions, including this gas detector controller, as well as portable gas detectors, fixed gas detection systems, and specialized gas sensors, visit ATO.com to explore our full lineup. If this guide was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. Wire safely, stay compliant, and rely on ATO for your complete gas detection and automation solutions.